We're a family of four. I'm Steve, this is Emma.
We have 2 children. Our daughter is 15 and our son is 8. And we have a dog, Daphne, who's 11.
We moved to Crowthorne nearly 3 years ago now. There's a couple of reasons. It's just a really, really nice area. It's a really good family area, really good schools. The reason we chose the J315 in the first place was firstly the practicality. We needed a small hot tub. We had a bit of a dead corner, so we managed to get a bit of extra land when we bought the property, and it was kind of tucked in, so we thought it kind of suited the hot tub really well. We knew we wanted a bit of hard standard around it so that it kept it nice and clean for getting in and out. We wanted a top-end model. We wanted something that delivered a really good massage. We wanted something that had some of the cool technology that Jacuzzi have. We wanted all those things. We wanted convenience. So that kind of ticked all our boxes. We knew that predominantly it would just be us spending time in there or the kids, with a little bit of overlap, but generally, 2-3 seater was all we needed.
I think one of the best features is probably the jets are very good, much more powerful than I expected they would be. Because I do use the gym a lot, so I would quite fancy a good massage after the gym, and I wasn't expecting such a good massage, but they're very powerful.
I think one of the main things I like about Smart Tub is the convenience element. So I generally commandeer the lounger, so I'm sat over the other side, and getting a good massage, it will turn off after 20 minutes, and actually I can just lean over to my phone, turn it straight back on. I don't have to get out of a comfortable position to do that. And although we aren't that focused on the energy side of things, actually what I've really liked on the Smart Tub app is it gives you accurate energy consumption. So I can see that it's costing us however many kilowatt hours per day. So although I'm not focused on it, it's a really nice reassuring thing to know that it isn't costing very much at all.
So I'm in charge of the water.
You are?
And it's very, very simple. It's something that I was slightly concerned about because I was worried about the levels and making sure they're correct all the time, but it's super easy. It's basically every time you get out of the hot tub, you put half a teaspoon of bromine in, check your levels the next morning, and they're perfect. It's simple, very easy.
We've had all 4 of us in there, and it is deceptively spacious. There's quite a lot of room in there. I think advice would be to think about what you want to use it for. I think you don't necessarily need a huge hot tub, and I think that is something to consider. A compact hot tub can do everything a really big hot tub can do, so you just got to think about dynamic and usage and the whys, I guess. I think it's been a brilliant addition for us as a family, and we just spend, like I say, it's exceeded our expectations of how much time and benefit we get from it.